training warfighters as they fight together in the same battle space is imperative for mission success and survivability. The U.S. Army Synthetic Environment Corps, or SE Corps program, provides virtual simulation products that enable Army virtual simulation systems to fully integrate and interoperate so warfighters can train as they fight. SE Corps provides virtual common components, a common network protocol, terrain, environment, damage assessment, computer-generated forces, models, scenarios, sensors, C4ISR interfacing, and underlying services for interoperable fair fights. All SE Corps products are reusable, adaptable, extensible, and interoperable.
The interoperability component of SE Corps is critical to our ability to train our soldiers across the spectrum of all of our systems. So right now, if you look at SE Corps, one of the key pieces that we're trying to integrate today is both ground and air. We're trying to train our soldiers in the ability to train in ground and air, because that's the way we fight, is ground and air together.
The project manager combined arms tactical trainers under the Army's Program Executive Office for Simulation, Training, and Instrumentation, or PEO STRI, supports every aspect of virtual training in the Army. SE Corps is a major program within PEO STRI. Within SE Corps, there are two major initiatives, Architecture and Integration, or A&I, and the Database Virtual Environment Development, or DVED. A&I developed the Virtual Simulation Architecture, or VSA, for the Common Virtual Environment, linking system and non-system virtual simulations into an integrated, interoperable training capability. A&I created the virtual capability within the One Semi-Automated Forces, known as OneSAF, baseline for its integration into virtual simulations. The SE Corps DVED developed the Master Terrain Database that generates correlated virtual runtime databases for simulation systems to meet warfighters' objectives for training. Runtime databases include virtual and semi-automated forces databases and 3D common moving models, such as tanks, helicopters, and mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles. SE Corps delivers major benefits. Persistent interoperability, connecting standalone simulation systems and tools in the virtual world. Reuse of components, reducing lifecycle, maintenance, development costs. And above all, enabling training in a contemporary operational environment so warfighters train the way they fight. The A&I VSA product line architecture provides the foundation for SE Corps Common Virtual Components, or CVCs, that include SE Corps Gateway, providing long-haul networking capability that enables multiple simulation sites to participate in the same exercise. SE Corps Gateway concurrently supports multiple distributive interactive simulation, or DIS dialects, and bridges network interoperability between dissimilar virtual trainers. Today's Army virtual systems are migrating to the new DIS specification, VDIS. Use of VDIS ensures interoperability among virtual simulations, communicating in one common language on a common terrain in one training space. The C4ISR product acts as a bridge between the training system and external tactical C2 devices within a tactical operations center, enabling live C4I systems to stimulate and be stimulated by the virtual battle space. The Virtual Bridge product delivers a single consolidated gateway and common platform environment for the simulation network. The SE Corps Gateway and the Tactical Internet C4ISR CVC, eliminating the need for two machines. The Scenario Generation tool provides a common solution for gunnery scenario generation with verification via 2D map and a 3D view. The Data Collector and Data Analysis products deliver real-time monitoring, recall, and replay of training exercises and after-action reviews. SE Corps extends and adapts OneSAF to operate within SE Corps' virtual environment with new capabilities, new models, entities, and units such as the Apache AH-64D, physical and behavioral model extensions for the virtual domain, like a precise rotary wing flight model and its associated tactical behaviors, VDIS support to ensure full interoperability, and new simulation management control capability, enabling virtual programs to control one SAF simulation.
For soldiers, it's very important because every time they move from station to station, they don't have to relearn a whole new system. It's the common environment. It's the common, and that's the key word to all of that. In integrating SC Core and OneSAF together, is it's there, it's the same throughout the Army, and frankly, it's now potential use for the joint community as well.
SE Core adopters include CCTT, AVCAT, AGTS, CFFT, and the CDT product line.
And SE Core is providing me the common environment that has allowed me to train with AVCAT and CCTT on a common database. Common environment, common movement models, and to be interoperability across the board. So we'll be able to train how we fight.
Today, SE Core is becoming the common configuration management site for maintaining and managing all Army virtual simulation programs and software.
The most important concept is the fair fight concept. The concept that no matter what virtual training system you're in, you're going to see essentially the same common moving models. You're going to have the OneSAF across all the virtual training devices, and you're going to have a geo-specific database that will replicate to a T the environment that you're going to go into when you go into the area of operation.
Users, system integrators, product developers become a part of the Army's virtual environment. Incorporate the SE Core product line into your virtual simulation systems.